Hello my dear friends. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this plane. This plane holds the Guinness World Record for the longest time in the air. So let us get started on how to make it. First you need an A4 sheet and then you make this into a rectangle like this. Crease. Nice crease. Now make this one even. Put that one down like this. And then crease. Now we do the same on the other side. We should have something like this. Yeah. Now we don't actually just fold it down like this. We leave a bit of a gap and then we fold it down from there. Now that should be more like this. Now we have to, this is just a guide fold, but it's also a very important fold. Like this. Same on the other side. Like that. Just make sure it's nice and even. Open it up. Now from the crease we push it down like this. And one like this. Same on the other side. Now it should automatically come in like this. Or you have to do it either way, so it should come in like this. Now an important fold is this. It's a guide fold. So put it in like this, crease. Now we open it back up. We put it in like this. Fold it into, fold it backwards. And don't put this up. No. Just up like this. Now you should see something like this happening. And then we have to squish this part in the front. So you should have something like this. Now you push this one down to make it like this. So you can push it in the back. And then you can just crease it from there. And then you have done one of the really hard parts from the plane. Now make sure you don't have any scraps on the top. You can just cut the rest off to make it look neat. So fly fast roll. There. Now push this one down to here. Like this. To make the wings. And don't go all the way down. Don't do that. Otherwise the plane is not going to go as far. Same on the other side. Same on the other side. Like this. Should have something like this. And then crease. And now once you've done this, you might think we're done. But no. We have to make a very important part, which is the stabilizers. Put this part over there. Push it up. Same on the other side. Be easy on this side now. There. Now you have finished the Guinness World Record paper plane. Push it up and let's see it in flight. No. My next paper plane video is going to be on the Eagle. So stay tuned on my channel. Woo! Bye-bye.